Hello kid, welcome back. Learn and write 1, 2, 3 counting numbers. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 1, 0, 10. Now color it. Pink color. 1, ear color. Green color. 2, green color. Orange color. 3, red color. 4, yellow color. 4, orange color. Blue color. 5, pink color. 'Light pink color. 6, green color. 7, gray color. 7, yellow color. 8, pink color. Orange color. 'Blue color. 9, 9, 10, 1, 0, 10. Okay, kid.